apply it. Simmer it. You haven't got to do anything fancy, nice big chunks. That's your onion ready. And your pepper, straight down the middle. Take the root out, put all the seeds on. You don't need that. Just make sure you've got a few seeds left in it. It's not a problem. It's not going to be the end of the world. Most of them are gone. Again, nice big chunks. No technical knife skills required for this. 2 pounds at the end. Right, pumpkin. If you have to get a whole one like this, you can in supermarkets buy it peeled in pieces sometimes. Get that if you want it to save you a lot of time. Chuck it on, don't have to worry about where it goes as long as it's all on there. You can use any sort of oil you want really. I'm using a pomace oil, which is like a cheaper version of olive oil. It's a little bit more healthy. Good glove, don't be shy. There's no other cream or anything apart from the garnish that will go in this, that's not too bad. And you just take that, and that's going to go into a preheated oven of about 200 degrees, and it's going to go in for approximately 15 minutes. But temperatures and ovens vary wildly, so don't take that to be precise. You're just going to have to check it. We'll go into that later.
Okay.
Now that's it for the next half hour. Roasted veg into a nice bowl. In here, I've got about a pint of vegetable stock. Any vegetable stock, doesn't matter, oxo cubes, North stock cubes, anything you fancy. It doesn't have to be a specific type. That is going to go in here. Add most of your vegetable stock in, but not all of it. And then get your stick blender. I've got a nice big posh one, but anyone will do. Add your seasoning now. Get a finger. That's blended down quite nicely now. Now it's up to you guys when you do this. If you look at this now, the consistency of how you want it. If that's fine, leave it as it is, or if you want to add a little bit more, which I'm going to, add a little bit more of your vegetable stock and just let it down a little bit thinner. Right, just going to add a bit of salt and pepper. When you're adding salt and pepper, just put tiny bits in. You can always put more in. Once it's in, you can't take it out. And then just to finish off, you can always add a little bit of parsley to go over the top.
Okay, quick, ready, go.
Add about a pint of vegetable stock.
Cool.